The 9 ingredients of a high vibration life. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, often you hear me say in these videos that life is not about techniques and methods and strategies to get things to manifest. That the things that you want to manifest will flow naturally into your life if you are living in your high vibration state of mind. And what is that high vibration state of mind? Well, I'm going to share with you the 9 ingredients of what that is. And in order to live the good life that you came for, which is a very satisfying life filled with all that you want continuously coming to you with joyous days, you must know how to do the following. Use your imagination and dreaming such that you can emotionally feel the presence of the dream, the now of it, as though it is physical. Number 2, respond to all life matters versus react, and that includes all the people in your life in any circumstances, be it health, relationships of various kinds, abundance, and vocation. Number 3, feel your natural worthiness, value, and deserving of everything you want, and know you can have it for sure and in joyous ways. Number 4, understand that others are your vibrational mirror. Number 5, see that life is set up to serve you, to work for you at all times and in all situations. Number 6, make complete peace with your past. Number 7, feel the natural flow of abundance in all forms coming to you at all times for you to receive. Number 8, process a negative emotion as your friend to help you bring your thoughts back into agreement with the points in this list. This is alignment. And lastly, know how to receive your desires. So you can go down that list. You can look at each point and you can ask yourself, are you there? Is that the way you're conducting yourself as you go through your day? Because we are high vibration beings, and as you see from the creative process, the contrast is natural, and then the creating is natural, or automatic stuff. And then as we have our mind in a high vibration state, which is those 9 things that I just mentioned, if you're using your mind in that way, it's in its natural high vibration state. So you're living as the high vibration being that you are. And that's what allows the dreams and desires that you have to flow into your life, because the contrast causes you to know what you want, and your inner being creates that. Now, in knowing what you want, what we know is there's an emotional reason. You want something because it feels satisfying, it feels happy, it feels like joy, all of those positive emotions. And so that's really the vibration of them, and that's high vibration energy. And when you are there in your daily life by thinking thoughts in these 9 ways, you are a vibrational match to the desire. And you are going to receive the path of those details as part of your daily life. Your inner being will weave that all into your daily life through synchronicities and ideas that will come to you, and inspired action, right timing, connecting with people in ways that support you in moving along in very joyous and easy ways to receiving what you want. And so the path is now, it's today. And when I say that a desire is on the way, I mean now, right now. So it's not an absent thing, it's a present, because the receiving of the path has to happen to receive the desire. That's where that big part of joy of life is in the path. And the path is now, and the path is one with the desire. So as you're receiving the path, then it's all now. You are on the way. It's just like if you drive from New York City to Los Angeles, you're on your way. So you know in time with driving, you're going to be there. you enjoy that journey along the way. So you're not in LA yet, but you know you're on the way, and it's that movement each day towards there that causes you to be there. So as you're feeling good in your day about all these things and the way that I've talked about them here, these 9 ingredients, you're on the way, and the natural consequence of that is to receive the thing that you want. Just like the natural consequence of driving from New York City towards Los Angeles, you will get there. It's a natural consequence that if you continue to drive each day, you're going to arrive there. And as you go through your day, and there's none of these things that you have to specifically do. It's just wherever your mind is. If your mind is on your dreams, if you're having a thought about your dreams, it just comes to you, or somebody happens to mention something and you think, oh, that's a desire of mine kind of thing. Then in that moment, as you think about it, you want to feel the emotional presence of it. You want it to put a smile on your face. You want to feel the emotional now of it, that it is literally on the way today, right now, this moment. And as you feel that, then you are in that high vibration. And all the things that go on in your daily life, if you are responding to them, even though they may be things that are not exactly the way that you want them to be, we know that there's some contrast in there, and that's all good. Causes expansion in your life, and you're understanding that. You're understanding it's a vibrational connection that you're having with that situation. So you stay calm, you stay relaxed, you know what's going on there. So you're responding. No more of that reacting. No more going into those negative feeling thoughts, because that pulls the vibration down versus leaving it in its natural high place. And of course, as you go through your day and you're feeling good about yourself, you like yourself, you understand your importance and your value, and that you have gifts and talents and all those good things, and you're expressing yourself in ways that you like to. Even if you're working at a job or you have a business and maybe it's not the full thing that you want, but you're finding ways to get the good out of it, to focus on the positive, and then you realize that that's high vibration, so then you're going to be receiving the path to the better experience. And so when you feel your worthiness, then you have no doubt about that it's done and it's yours kind of thing. Understanding others is a big one, right? As we see the other people in our life and the way that they are towards us, we just want to simply look at them as a vibrational mirror. Nothing more, nothing less. Not doing anything to us, not showing up to make our life hard, none of that. They are just simply a vibrational mirror. And if you see it like that, then you're going to be at peace with it. You're going to understand it, and you're going to understand, that it's something that you can adjust within you to get that mirror image to change. So then you stay in your high vibration there. And as you see and know that life is set up to work for you, which the creative process shows us clearly, then you're going to, again, stay in a very calm and relaxed and optimistic state, because the calm and the relaxed comes because you know that the situation is, again, a vibrational mirror to your energy. So it's all about that, and you can change that. And then you're optimistic and positive, expecting of the expansion, which caused the contrast, which caused the expansion. So you're expecting of receiving that. Making complete peace with your past, a very big one, so that as you look back through your past, and those thoughts will come to you, other people mention the past, so on and so forth, you always want a positive reference to your past. And we know from the creative process that the past has a lot of contrast in it, and that's all good because it created expansion and made your life better. So that's another way that keeps your vibration high, and you in that receiving vibration for all that you want. Feel the natural flow of abundance. So when you know the truth of abundance, as I talk about in my book, The Book of Life, and why it is true that you're rich all the time, born rich, always rich. And so it's about recognizing that. And when you do, and you know how that is true and how you let it flow to you, in a very easy, effortless way, then again, you're going to be relaxed and you're not going to be trying to get more abundance and figure out ways to get more abundance. You're going to be about receiving the abundance. And that keeps you high vibration. Process a negative emotion as your friend, and then get your thoughts back into alignment with all these other points here in this slide. So again, we're looking at negative emotion as a good thing, an indicator, a friend to tell us that our thoughts now are not agreeing with all these other things that I talked about. So that's going to keep you in your natural high vibration place. And then the last one is that you will have the mindset of receiving the things that you want. Receiving, not going to get them, not making them happen, none of that stuff. It's all about receiving, because as you leave your vibration in that high state, natural state, then they are going to flow. Those things that you want, that life has caused you to ask for, are going to flow into your experience. It's just a very natural consequence of living our high vibration. You see, we know this coming in, and then we sort of got derailed a bit, off track, and now all of what I'm teaching here is getting you back into knowing what your natural high vibration mindset is. And as you get back into that, then you are opening the door to have the natural flow come to you. And when you know that, then that's what the unconditional feel good of life is. You don't need conditions because you know how this all works. And now that you know all these 9 ingredients about how to use your mind, now you just go to work and get yourself back into that situation with your mind. You're training from my books and the audios, I should say the videos that you're listening to. My website has a lot of stuff on it. So it's all about retraining your mind back into feeling and processing things in these ways. And when you get these 9 ingredients in good order, now you are just living as your natural high vibration self, and everything flows. So from this you can really see, it really shines a spotlight on how really ridiculous it is to try to get techniques, use affirmations, use vision boards, this thing called tapping, and all the things that, people do to try to get things to manifest. When if you will get these 9 ingredients in order, manifestation is just going to happen. It's just natural life. It's the way it works. And it's so easy when you just live it the natural way instead of trying to figure out some way to make things manifest. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there today. That is the 9 ingredients of a high vibration life. You get those in order, you'll be living your high vibration life, and you're really going to like it. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them on the post, and enjoy your day.